Hi, this is Shenzhen Semkin Intelligent Company Limited. This is Semkin Does the LCD lamination machine. It is with small size and light is very small. Let's see the capping design. This is according to the market age and flat screen repairing demand. We specially customized all-in-one cabin. This is all-in-one. It is not made up of small parts, so it has better sealing and no leakage. So it has better vacuumized degree, and we have larger size of splinter. It have better balance degree when lamination, and also increase the forced area when lamination. And also for this machine, you can see we removed the 4 columns because it can improve the utilization of the lamination cabin. And for our machine, it can be for both edge and flat screen repairing. Also, it is universal for all the cell phone repairing mode. This is Semkin mode base. This is Semkin LCD lamination machine for iPhone 11. When lamination, you can do like this. Also, for the mode base, it also can work as this is edge, not flat. This part is flat. When you want to lamination for the other mode, you can do like this and use the magic match and use the universal alignment mode in the market. Also, the machine can use this kind of mode. To make easier and more convenient operation, we designed this totally different operation system. For this LCD display, we used 7-inch and colorful and high-resolution LCD touch display. For this display, you can change the language freely. You can see now it's English mode. And for this display, the biggest advantage is that you don't need to adjust pressure. Now we proceed 4-step pressure setting. This is for flat OC lamination pressure. This is for flat LCD lamination. This is for OC lamination pressure. This is for LCD lamination. For this, you can change the time. Also, they have the manual and automatic mode for option. Now it is manual system. If you want to click this there is warning to let you know it is manual mode. When click this, now it is automatic mode. For this machine, also there is an advantage. Only one machine start working, the emergency stop will appear. For the manual system, also like this. After you press down, then this button it appeared like arm. For this machine, this is for the air compressor connection. This pipe size is 8. This is for vacuum pump connection. The size for this is 12. For this is for vacuum pump power supply connection. This is for the machine power supply connection. After air compressor and the vacuum pump and the power supply connect well, click this button. This is for the machine connect with power. The machine now connect the power supply and that button have turned on. This button is for turn off the machine and turn on the machine. Now the machine is on. Machine now turn off. For our machine, it is designed various meaning and the function is very full. So you can click this button is start. It's just a button function just like this.